The Equipment tab provides details about assets like make, model, or service history. You can also view documents or photos attached to the equipment record. When working on a job, there is an Actions button at the top right of the screen, which offers additional features. In View Equipment Documents, any associated documents are displayed. You can change and add additional details to the equipment in Edit Equipment Details. You can also include more equipment with the Add Equipment button. Fill in all the fields and then click Save. To change any equipment, click the Change Equipment button and select an item from the list. Use the Equipment Not Present option if you find that the equipment for a job or task is not available at the site. You can then choose to either archive or remove the equipment. It's possible that the equipment has been decommissioned or moved to another location. Archiving the equipment will deactivate it and remove it from active use. If this equipment is linked to any contracts, you will see a warning message indicating that the archiving process was unsuccessful. Click View to see the details or OK to close the message. Removing the equipment will take it off the job task, but it will still remain in the system for future reference. Job History will take you to the Equipment Enquiry screen, where it will list all the history for job, parts, purchase orders, and contracts. You can easily navigate and explore the information here. You can click on the Part History button to view details of the parts used on previous jobs. Click on the Quotation History button to view details of the parts used on previous jobs.